I'm pleased and proud to be in this space. New York State Assembly Member Monique, Chandler, Waterman. I'm the first woman, first black woman, first black American, Bayesian Jamaican American to represent. In the heart, I took over from former Ambassador Nick Perry. We have about almost over 80% Caribbean immigrants, a very large Jamaican population, and we sit right there in Little Caribbean, so I'm very proud of that. I just want to say congratulations to the organizers and everybody for Jamaican Rising Day Parade. As my colleague said, historic. This is amazing, and whatever we could do to support, we will continue, so thank you to the executives, thank you to the organizers, thank you to Dr. Pierce. I think you called me every single day to make sure I was here. We have clergy in the house. And thank you to Dr. Mama Una Clark. Thank you for leading the way. Stand on the shoulders of, I say, Shirley Chisholm, a Bayesian woman, and my Jamaican queen, Mama. Thank you so much. As my colleague also said, our hearts are heavy as we are celebrating the richness of Jamaica and all that it brings to us. My father is Jamaican. He has passed away, but I'm glad to carry on his legacy as we are in a form of when we're dealing with the destruction of the Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. I'm proud to have partnered with the Council General Office. You know, Chris, I was going to call your name, to make sure that we have done probably over 60 boxes. We have collected 150 volunteers, and our last packing event is happening this Saturday. And on December 18th, the Speaker of the New York State Assembly, we're taking a delegation of Assembly members, senators, and our stakeholders to Jamaica to help with the rebuild and the hurricane relief. And as we're doing this, I just want to shout out to the CG's office, and I want to give condolences to friends and family of Council General Alcion Wilson. And she looks down on us today and smiled that we are still upholding the values, the Jamaican values, the work in the tree jobs, right? The stick and students, and making sure that we know that it's not an I thing, it's a we thing. And out of many is one. So I just love you all. I'm going to excuse myself for the mic so I can be invited back. But I love you. Thank you so much. Peace and love. What we said, the Congresswoman says, Yvette Clark, walk good, look good, talk good. And we may be little, but we talawa. Okay, thank you so much. Love you all.